Stay.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host for today's another Full of Learning. Welcome to Hawaan! Game ka na ba? Our today's special guest, the two-time Olympic gold medalist, Mr. Carlos Yulo. So, Mr. Yulo, you have a chance to win 1 million pesos worth of GCash credit. Mr. Yulo, game ka na ba?
Game na!
Okay, so for round one, here's our very own Beanie Angel with her scenario.
Pause. Ano ba yun? Football? Football? Train?
So, ang salita ko is botulism. Sa tingin mo, Mr. Yulo, ano ang mode of transmission nito?
Football transmission.
Tama ba siya? Tama na! With Miss Francine and Mr. Drake. Let's give them a round of applause, everybody. What we have here is ABC. Sa tingin mo, Mr. Yulo, ano ang mode of transmission nito? For 50,000 pesos.
Speed to speed transmission.
Mr. Yulo? Let's see. Tumpa! Let's go to the next round.